Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Mundo playset called Pan Pizza. With this set we got a pizza oven mold, and this is how we're gonna make the toppings. One pizza box. It'll also cut the pizza. Here's the pizza pan mold, and we're gonna put the Mundo right here. With these tools, we can mold the cheese. We also got spatula and a knife. Let's not forget this really big playmat and 3 colors of Mundo: green, pink, and yellow. To get this Mundo to the right texture, I found that it's best to press it inside the package, so it's not breaking in pieces like this one, and it's more like this. So here it is, the Mundo, ready to mold. First we're gonna make the pan pizza. Now we need some toppings. Time to use the pizza oven. We just put the Mundo on top. And then turn the handle. We can make lots of different toppings at once. Let's make a tomato. And you see, our toppings come out from the oven, and we can just keep on molding. Here we have broccoli. I should have made this green, huh? And our tomato just came out. Mushroom. This looks like pepperoni. And now I'm gonna make my broccoli green. This pizza oven is a great way to make toppings. How about we make some cheese? Nice, huh? Place the Mundo inside. Press. And our cheese is done. Super easy. Let's put some toppings in our pizza. I actually think this is a pineapple, but I made it pink. That's okay, right? And cheese. Whoa, this is a fully loaded pizza. Let's see if we can cut it all. This pizza box makes perfect slice. Time to serve. Pizza, anyone? I really like this pizza, but I also like thin crust, so I'm gonna make one using Play-Doh. One thin crust pepperoni pizza coming up. Melted cheese. And now pepperoni. Let's cut it using the pizza box. And it cuts. Perfect slice. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Play-Doh and Mundo right here on Disney Collector.